To unlock your Poco X7 Pro without knowing a password, first let me show you that I have a password set on my phone and I forgot it. So now to unlock our device, we'll need to perform a factory reset / hard reset on our device. And if you agree with that, you will lose all of your data during this process. So then if you, as I said, agree, we need to power off our device. You can do it by holding a power button right here for a few seconds, or if it doesn't work, click on power button and volume up button until you can see a power menu. Now we can power off our device. Then when it's fully shut down, we'll need to click on the power button and volume up button together at the same time. And then when the logo appears, let go of the power button. So I will demonstrate that as well. Now I'm holding power and volume up button. Letting go of the power button. And right here we can see the boot menu of our device, and we want to select wipe data. And you can use the volume down and volume up button to navigate, and power button to select a specific option. Then go down again and select wipe all data, and here finally confirm it. Now we need to wait till this process is finished, and we can go back to main menu and reboot our device. And here we want to reboot to system. Okay, so here's the first setup. We'll need to perform a entire setup of our device. I'm gonna go through it quickly and just stop at the crucial steps. So here the language, region, and etc. Here's the crucial step. You need to connect to the Wi-Fi network to actually unlock your device. And I'm gonna do it, but off the camera. So I'm connected. We can move to the next step. Okay, so as you can see, there's a draw your pattern or enter your password step, and we can bypass this by using our Google account instead. So select the bottom option and enter your Google account right here. And I'm gonna also do it off the camera. And next, there will be another sign in. You can log in other Google account if you like, but I'm gonna skip it. Then we can set our screen lock. I'm gonna also skip it just to show you that the password is gone. Okay, so here we have it. As you can see, there's our home screen and we can lock our device, then try to unlock it and there's no password. So that is basically everything.